In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for shows and movies on Netflix. So let's go ahead and get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Netflix application if you have it on your system, or you can open up the web browser and type in netflix.com in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Netflix homepage. Now, right from the homepage, you can simply scroll down and look at the various offerings of shows and movies. You can simply click on any show that you want and you will be able to watch it instantly. You can also click on the TV shows option at the top section and you will be able to browse various popular TV shows. Here you have the movies tab as well as the latest offerings section as well. You can use these tabs to find the various popular movies and shows and browse through them by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting your genre. Finally, if you already have an idea of what you want to watch, you can simply click on the search button at the top right corner and then you will be allowed to type in your search query. Just go ahead and type in the name of any show that you want to watch and you will see the search results. Just click on the play button from your desired search results and the show will immediately start to play. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to search for your desired movies or shows on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.